Hi, I'm Melissa and I'm here today with another unboxing with the Super Sassy Earring Club. So how cute is this? Beach day. So this is June 2021, and if you've never heard of the Super Sassy Earring Club before, it is a monthly subscription. It's $9.99 and every month you get this in the mail. And it has pop-out paper earrings that are super fun and lightweight, and it features a different artist every month. So for June, I am obsessed. How cute is this illustration? I am absolutely loving this illustration. So every month you get a pair of hooks. I have them in right now. And I popped out these cute flowers to wear. You also got some adorable sailboats. I would totally wear those. You get sandcastle earrings, the flowers I'm wearing, a crab or something, some kind of crustacean, some super cute seashell earrings, and some starfish. So I loved May's brunch theme, but I also really love this beach theme. And I could actually see myself wearing every single pair of earrings that came in June, which is awesome because a lot of times I feel like I would only wear like one or two, but I would wear all of the earrings in June, which is awesome. So I love the subscription. I think it's so fun, especially if you're an earring lover and you like fun, lightweight earrings. I would highly recommend it to check it out. And yeah, I think June was awesome. Let me know in the comments below if you subscribe, if you would wear the earrings, what you think. Have a great day.